Cat-cow for pelvic floor awareness. Cat-cow is a great movement to do to learn what the pelvic floor does with movement. Here's your pelvis with the lumbar spine and the hips, and the pelvic floor muscles are located at the bottom of the pelvic bowl, and some even attach into the hip. So start on all fours, find your breath. Notice what happens at the rib cage and low belly when you breathe in and out. Then you're going to start moving. Inhale, you dip your belly down towards the floor. Exhale, you round your spine. Inhale, belly goes down, head goes up. Exhale, we round the low back and the spine. With your inhale, think about what's happening at the pelvis. Your sit bones widen and the muscles lengthen. Exhale, they come back closer. Again, inhale, sit bones widen. Exhale, round the low back, sit bones come a little bit closer. Inhale, sit bones widen, pelvic floor lengthens. Exhale, don't squeeze the glutes and don't squeeze the pelvic floor. Really focus on letting the belly come closer towards the floor, letting the sit bones widen. The point of this exercise is to notice what's happening in the pelvic floor and to let go.